Kitchen 101. We've all heard that we should eat more fish for our health, especially salmon. It is the omega-3 fatty acids found in cold water fish like salmon that are so good for us. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory, making them good for the heart and the brain. When you go to buy salmon, whether fresh or frozen, you usually have a choice between farm-raised or wild-caught. Farmed salmon is raised in confined systems. The flesh is pale pink, with the color coming from the food the fish consumes. Farmed salmon tends to have a softer texture. Wild-caught salmon is Pacific salmon and comes in several varieties, including sockeye, king, and coho. They tend to have a deep pink or almost orange color flesh, and they are firm and meaty in texture. Wild-caught salmon has a season running from late spring to early fall. When you buy fresh salmon, look for pieces that are firm to the touch and appear moist. Fresh salmon should not smell overly fishy. It can be purchased cut into fillets, steaks, or as a side. Frozen salmon is usually available as vacuum-sealed individual fillets. Thaw these overnight in the refrigerator before cooking. If you are buying fresh salmon, keep it tightly wrapped and stored on top of ice in the refrigerator. Use it within 1 to 2 days. Salmon can be cooked with the skin on or off. If you prefer it removed, you can ask the fishmonger to do that for you. The skin is also easily removed after cooking by inserting a spatula between the flesh and the skin. Cooking with the skin on can help prevent the fish, especially wild-caught, from getting too dry. Because salmon is such a meaty fish, it lends itself well to a number of cooking techniques. Try roasting a full side of salmon like this Greek roasted salmon. A full side makes an impressive presentation. Salmon fillets can also be pan-seared to form a golden crust on one side. Steaming can be done with a traditional steamer basket or by wrapping salmon fillets in parchment or foil packets, like in coconut curry salmon in parchment. The packets trap the moisture, which steams the fish. Salmon steaks or fillets can also be grilled directly on hot, oiled grill grates. Whatever cooking method you choose, it's important not to overcook the salmon. The fish should flake easily with a fork when it's ready to serve. With so many ways to prepare salmon, it's easy to meet the recommended 2 to 3 servings of fish per week. If only healthy always tasted this good.